Huh. What's up YouTube, this is Kevin Golly from Nation Techno, and in this kind of particular video I want to give you guys about a review and also looks like about how it's actually the BBM version 2 that's now available on the iOS and also the Android. And in this kind of opportunity I will bring you the Android versions, which is actually you can directly update your BBM on the Play Store if you're supported, if your device is being supported. So let's check a look about the application itself. So first of all, the first impressions, the icon is there's no change for the icons. The BBM logo is still there. There's nothing like significant change on the icons. There's nothing is actually changed. And by the time it's actually launched these kind of applications, we already understand. We can actually notice what's actually different. We can see here's the tabs that's below here, which is at the past you can actually find your contacts and also chats here in the bottom line, but now you are not even get this kind of the context. So your context is actually being moved on the left menu here. So if you just press this kind of menu, you will find the chats and also groups and also context, and there are you going to find your context tabs. But that's actually you found here is just actually the update tabs. Update tabs is actually you will find in this kind of left menu buttons in the past. But now you are actually going to have it on the bottom tabs here, which is actually what's something new on the update tabs here on the BBM versions 2. What I find very interesting is that the update tabs actually now being improved and also very significant. But times actually people change their kind of the profile pictures or change and update their status. You are actually going to have like different preview or user interface and experience how you can actually see their kind of the updates. And what kind of actually the versions, what can actually the new features that comes out in the BBM versions new is actually BBM channels. This kind of BBM channels just like a social networks, can be say like that. It just like looks like the Twitter or the Facebook, because you can actually subscribe towards some kind of the channels, and also you can also create your own channels. You can actually post something there, post something status there, so other people that actually subscribe to you can actually see what you are actually posting about. So here's actually I'll open my BB channels. I haven't ever made this my own BB channels, but I'm going to give you a preview about if you are actually subscribed to one specific channel. For example, here I get the local bank, and also I just press the join button here, which is actually on the bottoms. But then you actually press join, you are actually now connected towards those kind of the BlackBerry channels, and every those kind of the updates that come from this kind of particular channels, you will get notifications. So let's just take a look. And you can actually manage your subscriptions. You can also unjoin about the channel itself. You can see here's on the channels, and you can see you go to the BB channels again, and here's in the middle sections you can actually see your subscribed channels, what kind of channels that you are actually subscribed for. You can also where is it, create your own channels, where is here's create channels. You can actually create your own channels, give your name or your brands or your company. You can actually create your own channels. So that's kind of the features actually really new on the BBM version 2. And I see that the BBM is now expanding. They are providing a social network, also not only a chatting service, but it's just like something that's innovation that comes from BB. And also now the kind of things actually comes new features to the BBM 2, which is actually voice call. And this kind of features is really cool, which is actually we only got on our BlackBerry device before. We got like voice call on our BBM, but in the Android and also the iOS, many kind of people actually been asking where is actually the voice call is available on the Android, and the answer is now on the BBM version 2 you can actually make a voice calls using your BBM. Now I'm going to give it give it a try how it's actually BBM voice calls looks like. So let's just I call my BlackBerry device, which is my wait a second, I will type my name here, alright, which is actually my BB here. So if first of all, when I actually can see the green buttons here, the green icon, it means that your icons actually able to be calls, and they are actually able to make a voice call. So here's is my BB. You can see my BlackBerry Bolt 9700 Onyx. All right, it's just make a voice call to use the BBM. So now it's calling, okay, and where's it? Wait a second. Or it's not currently connected, so let's just give it a try. It's now calling to my BlackBerry device, which is BlackBerry Port 9700. Yes, it takes some time, but it is actually working. You can actually make a phone call using your Android and also the iOS on the BBM version 2. You can see here that's actually the calls is actually coming in to my BlackBerry device, and it's actually through my Android device, which is actually make a voice call using their BBM. So this is actually a new cool features that you can find on the BBM version 2. And my point of view, that's actually BBM now it's just not only a chatting service, but they are actually growing huge, and they are bringing in new innovations to their kind of the new applications. And in my particular point of view, they actually can compete against their kind of the another kind of messenger company, and hopefully BBM actually can grow through this kind of BBM version 2. So this is guys Kevin Colley from Nation Techno reviewing about the BlackBerry Messenger or the BBM version 2 that's available on the Android and also the iOS. You can download for free without charge on the App Store and also Play Store. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. It really means a lot to me, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.